press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students. So in the previous class I had explained what is median, and also we saw how to calculate the median of the ungrouped data, and also the discrete frequency distribution. If there is a discrete frequency distribution, how to calculate also we found out, and also one example I gave of finding the median of the grouped data also. So let us continue with this with the exercise 14.3. So from 14.3, exercise 14.3, first one. Okay, I am going to read the question now. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. See, here they have asked you to find out the mean, mode and also the median. Okay, but today I am going to take only median. I will find out only median, because I have already given many examples of mean and mode in the previous class. So for this particular problem I am going to take only median. Okay, I hope it is clear. So when you are doing it in your classwork, please do median, mode and also the mean. So first, but today I am going to do only the median, because a few more example I wanted to give. So okay, now what is the first step? See, first step is you write the question here. 60 monthly consumption I have written 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205, and this is the frequency. Okay, this is frequency, number of consumption. So this is frequency. So what is the first step I told you in the previous problem? So let us find out the monthly consumption. Monthly consumption less than. So when you are considering less than type, if you want to do, then I told you you have to consider the upper limit. So less than 85. Less than 85. What is the cumulative frequency? Less than 85. Less than 85 means more than 65. Less than, in between this. Less than 85 means how many? Only 4. Correct? Next. Less than 105. Less than 105. Less than 105 means how much? Definitely 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. That is 9. You need not write this directly, you can write, but for you to understand, you should not get confused what I am adding. So I am writing this. So it's better to write, no problem. Okay. Next, less than 125. So less than 125 means 13 plus 5 plus 4. So already 9 is there. So 9 plus 13. 22. Next, less than 145. So less than 145 means from here all the consumption, all the number of consumption will be this. Okay. So 20 plus 13 plus 5 plus 4. So already I have added this. So I am adding only 22. I am adding only 20 for this. So 42. Next, less than 165. Less than 165. So for 42, I am adding 20. 62. 14 I've had. So I'll come to know here only if I've done mistake. See why? Because I got 62, but number of consumption, how many are there? Only 60. So I have to add 14. Sorry, 14 I have to add. Please note. So 4, 5, 6, 56. Next, less than 185. So for 56, I have to add 8. Okay, 68 consumers. Sorry, not 60, 68 consumers. So here 64. Next, less than 205. So for 64, I am going to add this 4. 68. See, total consumer, number of consumers 68. I should get 68. If suppose if I get more or less, then you have gone wrong somewhere here in addition. Okay, please note that. So here when you add, you will get 68. That is n. N is equal to 68 or sigma fi. Summation for all frequency is 68. You can check that. Now, what is the next step? Next step I told you, after doing this column, find out n is equal to how much? 68. So let us find out n by 2. n by 2 is 68 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 34. So 34. Where does it lie? 34, little greater than 34, means here 42. So 42. So this is the column, and you will get the median class. Median class. Okay. Now, median class, which is the median class? Median class is 125 to 145. Please write this so that you won't get confused. And also you can block here also this. 42 is little greater than 34 you have to take, because exactly 34 you won't get. Greater than that only you should take. Okay. Now, next. Shall we write the formula? Let us write the formula to find out the median. Median is equal to n plus n by 2 minus here divided by into h. So let us go on writing all the values. L is the lower limit. I won't write the explanation. So in the previous sum I have showed. L is the lower limit of the median class, it is 125, and n by 2 already we have found out, and cumulative frequency, total frequency, and h. Okay. Now I told you in the previous sum is okay. Median class is this. So the corresponding frequency is f of the median class, and cumulative frequency you have to take 22, because it is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class of the median class. Means preceding class is which one? 105 to 125. Corresponding cumulative frequency is 22. So this is 22 and f is 20 and h. I told you h is the width of the class interval, that is 20, correct? 20. So check once again. L is 125, cumulative frequency is 22 and frequency is 20 and h is 20. Now I am going to calculate here median. If I do it here, you cannot. I hope you cannot see it, so I will do it here. Median is equal to L. L is how much? 125 plus n by 2. N by 2 is 34. 34 minus cumulative frequency is 22 divided by f. F is 20 and h is 20. H is also 20. Now cancel, 20 20 gets cancelled. Minus plus. Okay, here 2 12. 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 2 1. So 127 here. Okay, correct. See here, now add this 7, 3, 137. So median, how much? Median is equal to 137. I hope you understood. See, 137 definitely it lies between these two, 125 to 145. So you can verify your answers by one is you can check this and check the total whether it is correct 68, and here also you will get 68, and the final answer 137 definitely it should lie between the median class 125 to 145. It should definitely lie between these two. So you can verify your answers also. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? Next problem. Second one I am going to do in the next class. Third one I am going to do, because that second one again the unknown frequency you have to find out. I don't want to do it. We will be distracted. So one more problem we will do it, so that you will be familiarized with the formula and also these steps. Okay. So I will do third one. In the next class I am going to do second one. So third one, a life insurance agent found the following data for the distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if the policies are given only to the persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So age in years: below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, below 45, below 50, below 55 and below 60. And number of policy holders also they have given. Okay. We will try to work out. Let us write the question: age in years. Below 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, below. Below 50, below 55, below 60. Next, number of policy holder. Two, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98, 100. So here number of policy holders they have given, and first table, first column is below 20, below 25, below 30. Means it is nothing but in the previous sum we did less than 20, less than 25, less than 30, less than 35, this column. See, just observe it very carefully now. Just see the difference between the first problem and this third problem. See, in the first problem, just observe carefully, the class interval is given. 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, like this they have given. And frequency was given. And we found out the less than or below, like that, and the cumulative frequency, C. But in this case, third one, they have given the below 20 means less than all that column, and also the cumulative frequency they have given. Then what you should find out? You should find out the class interval and the corresponding frequency. You should find out the class interval and the corresponding frequency. I hope it is clear. Just opposite of that first type of question. Okay, see here, when this is given below 20 means you have to frame the class interval. I hope it is clear now. And they have given below 20 they have given. Okay, first one. So let us find out the frequency and also the class interval. First let us find out the class interval. So the first one, the class interval. For this it will be below 20. We don't know, so we will write below 20. Next class interval will be 20 to 25. Because see here, below 20 will come under here, 20 to 25 will come under this. Okay. Next, 25 to 30. 30 to 35. Next, 35 to 40. Next, 40 to 45. Next, 45 to 50. Next, 50 to 55. Next, 55 to 60. So you have to frame this class interval. Okay, just opposite of the first type of question. So class interval is formed. Next, frequency. You have to find the frequency. See, this is cumulative frequency. What they have given is the cumulative frequency. Because see here, below 20, how many policy holders are there? 2. Below 25, there are 6 policy holders. Below 30, there are 24 policy holders. Below 30 means 24 means including these two. Please just understand the problem. Okay. So below 20 means 2. Below 25 means 6. Then below 25 they have given means only it will come under this means only 4 because 2 you have to subtract. Okay. So just you think of that. Frequency and find out. Well, tell me. Okay, now, so below 20, only 2. Now, within 20 to 25 means within 20 to 25 means here 6 are there. Below 25, 6 policy holders are there. But you have to subtract 2. I hope it is clear. This is a very, different problem. Please understand it properly. So below 20, below 25 means the age of the policy holders below 25 is 6. But you have to subtract these two because for this one 20 to 25 means the age will come between 20 to 25 means 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So these policy holders will come under this category. But suppose if they are 20 or if they are 19, then they will come under this, means 2 are there, correct? But here in this case they are given 6, so you have to subtract those 2 policy holders because the age is less than 20. I hope you understand this. Okay, next. Now 6 minus 2, 4 over. Next is next. Now the how many policy holders will come under this category 25 to 30? So there should be between, the age should be between 25 to 30. Okay, not 24. But in this case, they have given below 30 is 24. Below 30 means everybody, all will be included. Below 30 means all will be included. So I have to subtract that, correct? So what I have to subtract from 24? From 24, I have to subtract 6. How much? 18. Next, 30 to 35. From 45, I have to subtract 24. Now, I hope you understood this now. From 45, I have to subtract 24. So, 21. Next, from 78, I have to subtract 45. 33. So, from 89, I have to subtract 78. Little bit try to understand it. Definitely it will be easy. Maybe at the first time you may feel it is difficult, but once you understand this concept below 45 means in all the category it will be included. Here all the policy holders below 45, 89 totally. But I need here 40 to 45 only. So I have to subtract 78 from 89. Okay. So 11. Next. 92 minus 89. Next. 98 minus 92. 6. Then 100 minus 2. Once you check whether it is correct. Okay. So below 20, 2 policy holders. Below 20, 2 policy holders. Next 4, 18, 21, 33, 11, 3, 6 and 2. Okay. Now how many policy holders? How many policy holders are there here? N is equal to total N, only this you have to take. Or you add this 2 plus 4 plus 18 plus 21 plus 33 plus 11 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2. You will get 100. Correct? See. 11 plus 1, 12, 13, 15, 16 plus 4, 20, 28, 29, 30, 33, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, 100 policy holders. Or they have given in the question also 100 policy holders. So, definitely N is how much? They have given 100 policy holders, they have given in the question also. So, what is the next step? Next step, N is equal to 100. Therefore, N by 2 will be 50. So, 50, where you have to check here? 50. You have to check here in the cumulative frequency, not in the frequency. So you just try to recall in the previous sum what we did, cumulative frequency. So here 50 greater than that is 78. So here this one and 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one, it's here. Correct. So this one, sorry, this table is not here. Okay, now this one, 33. Now 78 is little greater than 50 because there we got 50. Now you just find, see this is cumulative frequency for us, cumulative frequency, and this is frequency. Don't get confused, this it was given in the question. Cumulative frequency is given in the question, and below 20, below 25 is given in the question, and we got these two tables now. We found out the class interval, we grouped that in a particular data here, and we got the frequency here. So n by 2 we got, and median class is 35 to 40. The median class is 35 to 40. So median, we'll write the formula. Median is equal to n plus n by 2 minus here divided by the 2. So L is how much? 35, and n by 250 we all know. Cumulative frequency and frequency. Frequency is the corresponding frequency, that is, see, this is the median class, the corresponding frequency is 33, but cumulative frequency, I told you, you should take the cumulative frequency of the preceding class of the median class. See, this is the median class, the preceding class is this, corresponding cumulative frequency is 45. I hope you understood this. So cumulative frequency is this 45, and H is 5. Okay, H is 5. Now we substitute median is equal to L. L is 35 plus n by 2, that is 50 minus cumulative frequency is 45. And divided by F is 33, and H is how much? 35 plus 5 by 53. So 5 by 33, but 5 into 5 I'll do 25. So 5 5s are 25. 25 divided by 33. Now you will get a decimal point there. 0 point you will get, 0 point, just divide it and find out. So here 25 is divided by 33.0. So 33 6 7 33 6 33 7 7 is 21 2 again 0, 33 6 is 18, 1, 6 is 18, 5 is. So 33.75 it goes on. So you can take 35 point plus 35 plus 0.75 or 76 you can take. So this will be how much? 35.7. You can write 35.76 approximate. So definitely our class, median class is 35 to 40. So definitely 35 point something. It will come in between this. In between in the sense, in the range 35 to 40. So our answer, we can assume that our answer is correct. That is 35.76 years. So finally you have to write, see this is age in years. So our how many policy holders of the age, that is 35.76 years. Okay, the major, the policy holders will be of the age 35.76 years. Please write the conclusion. Okay, I think you can write like this. Hence the median age. See, they have given in the question to find out the median age. Hence the median age is 35.76 years. Okay. So like this, I hope you understood. And please learn the formulas. Formulas are very, very important. Once you know the formula and the values, easily you can solve. the problems. But you should be very careful when you choose cumulative frequency and frequency, and also the median class. Okay. Thank you.